Well, hello everyone. It's almost that time of year again, Christmas time. We shop till we drop, we eat until we can't move, and then we decide that we get a gym membership in the new year. I know I've done that several times. In fact, at one time I had a gym membership for almost 8 years that I never used. It wasn't a lot of money, it was $20 a month, but still, it was just the point that it was there unused. And a lot of times what most people do is the same thing as I did, which is you go there and you do an hour and a half, 2 hour workouts right after the new year because that's your resolution. And you work hard and you sweat and you feel good. But then one day you wake up after a couple of weeks and you just don't feel like going. You're not motivated. Your body aches everywhere and you decide, I'm not going to go today, I'm going to take a break. And the following day you do the same thing, and then you fall back into your old routine. And then you look yourself in the mirror and you say, well, there was no improvement. I've done that many times. My suggestion is start lightly. Start with, even if it's a 15-minute workout, do 15 minutes of cardio, do it for 1 week. Then after that, increase your time to 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Do a little bit of light weights. Make sure you have multiple exercises so that you're not always exercising the same muscles. Eventually get yourself to a half hour and then 45 minutes. And maybe within 3 months you get yourself to an hour. And you'll see vast improvements in your physique as you do that. And you'll feel so much better. And it'll be a lot easier than starting off with these huge exercises that you just cannot maintain because you haven't done anything in a while. But do remember that abs are not made in the gym, and I think if you ask most people that are gym buffs, and I'm not one of them, they'll tell you that the abs are made in the kitchen. You are what you eat, so if you want some suggestions, you can use custom keto diet that'll work well for you perhaps, or there's other diets out there. Some people support the paleo diet or others. Also, I am a strong believer in supplements. The right supplements really do help you a lot, and sometimes having some small weights and some exercise equipment at home also helps. It makes it easier instead of getting a membership and always having to drive. You can go to my description below. I have some links and some suggestions if you want them. Thank you.